Dear learners, welcome back again in our today's session. And our today's session is based on the topic of dyslexia. So basically, first we will understand the meaning of dyslexia. Dyslexia is a specific learning disability that affects an individual's ability to read, write, and spell. It is characterized by difficulties with phonemic awareness, decoding, fluency, and comprehension. And it is the most common learning disability and primarily affects reading. Next, we will discuss about the famous people with dyslexia. Many successful individuals have a dyslexia problems like Albert Einstein, Stephen, and Richard. Key features of dyslexia. Now we are going to discuss about the key features of dyslexia. As you can see that we have categorized our key features of dyslexia into three. So the first one is reading difficulties, second one is writing challenges, third one is spelling problems. Let's understand the key features one by one. The first one is reading difficulties. The students who are facing the dyslexia problems often have a trouble reading at a good pace and without mistakes. They may also struggle with the reading comprehension. And the second one is writing challenges. Their writing can be disorganized or have a poor structure, including the problems with grammar, punctuation, and the sequencing of ideas. Spelling problems. The students who are facing the dyslexia problem frequently have a difficulty with spelling, including the both phonetic spelling and irregular words. Let's understand the symptoms of dyslexia. Here you can see that there are so many symptoms of dyslexia. Let's understand one by one. The first one is late talking. Second one is difficulty with word or forming the answer to questions. And the next one is difficulty recognizing letters and learning to read. The next one is learning new words slowly. And the next one is problems remembering or naming letters, numbers, and colors. The last one is problems forming words correctly. Now we will discuss about the causes of dyslexia. Dyslexia, the problem is the first one is genetic. Dyslexia can be a genetic. It tends to run in a family, and a certain genetic may also contribute to the development of dyslexia. And the second one is brain structure and functions is also the cause of dyslexia. Dyslexia has been linked with the brain structure and functions, and particularly in areas responsible for language processing. The next one is neurodevelopmental factors. Dyslexia may be related to the issues during the fetal developmental or early childhood brain development. The last one is environmental factors. Prenatal or perinatal complications such as a premature birth may also play a role in development of dyslexia. After discussing the causes of dyslexia, let's understand diagnosis. How will you diagnose the problem in the students? So as you can see that there are so many techniques. The first one is observation, second one is interviews, and the third one is standardized test. By helping these tests, you can identify and diagnose the dyslexia problem in our students. The next one is management and support. Let's understand how will you manage and support to your students who are facing the problem of dyslexia. The first one is educational support. Provide the educational support and specialized tutoring, use of phonic and individualized education plan. The next second one is assistive technology, text-to-speech software, audio books, and other digital tools can be very helpful. Third one is accommodation, extended time on test, quiet environment for testing, and other classroom accommodation can be helpful. After discussing the management and supports, let's understand the additional resources. So the first one is International Dyslexia Association IDA. IDEA provides information, resources, and support for individuals with dyslexia and their families. The second one is British Dyslexia Association, BDA. BDA offers the resources and support for students, people with dyslexia in the UK. The third one is Reading Rockets. Reading Rockets aims at parents and educators offering the strategies and resources for teaching reading. So after that, overall understanding and supporting individuals with dyslexia involves recognizing their challenges and providing the tailored strategies to help them in educational and everyday settings. Thank you.